our curved glass bakery display case. First off, the overall dimensions. We have an overall length of 57 inches. Overall length of the base from left to right, we have at least 59 inches. So 57 inches for the top and 59 inches with the base. Measurements for the depth is 29.25 inches for the base only. And the depth for the actual display is 28.5 inches. Overall height, resting on wheels, we have at least 53.5 inches. Minus the wheels, we have at least 52.5 inches in height. Measurement for the actual base itself, from the bottom to the top, we have 16 inches. Measurements for the wheels to the top of the base, we have at least 17.75 inches. Coming to the back are dual slide doors, left to right. LED lights will be included located on the ceiling and the bottom of each shelf. So a LED strip is on the top and for each of the bottom shelves for this bakery case. Each shelf are held by brackets, and each bracket can be removed and inserted into the frame and be adjusted to the height of your preference. Each shelf from the top to the bottom are different sizes. Top is the most narrow, and the last and third shelf is the widest. The length from bracket to bracket will remain the same, and the measurement from left to right, we have at least 51.5 inches. And again, that measurement of 51.5 inches applied to the first, second, and bottom shelf, left to right, bracket to bracket. The only differences are the depth for each shelf. Measurement for the first shelf, we have at least 11 inches in depth. The second shelf, 13.75. Last but not least, the bottom shelf, we have at least 16.5 inches. Coming to the back, we have the standard 110/120 voltage connection, temperature control circuit diagram, along with the ETL certification. And below the controller are your power switches and everything else to operate this display case. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.